In this video, I am going to show you a easiest way to make $100 per day with ClickBank in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into our topic. Firstly, you need a ClickBank account, and if you don't have a ClickBank account, then just search on Google ClickBank and just click on it, and you will visit to this kind of interface. Just click on start here and follow this step-by-step instruction, and you will be easily able to create your own ClickBank account. Once you have created your ClickBank account, then simply log into your ClickBank account and click on this marketplace, and then scroll below and just click on this e-business and e-marketing, and then sort it out by gravity, and then see what are in the top of this offer list. So here you can see right now there is a offer that is called get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Now if you want to get your own affiliate link from where you get paid whenever you make sale, then just click on this promote button and then just click on this create hop link. Now this is going to be your unique affiliate link. Just click on copy and your affiliate link is ready to be promoted. Now once you have got your affiliate link, then just click on this close and then click on this affiliate page. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Just scroll below and then just click on this email swipes, and then you'll see there are lots of email swipes that you can use to promote this product. You can simply click on any of these email and then read it and see if it is a good email to be used to make promotion and get sales. So just read best email, okay, that people may like. Okay, so as you can see here, Facebook group moderator $28 per hour. Let's see at this, we are hiring social media user $185 per day. So make sure that the email title is also a little bit believable, okay, not like whatever it has written. You can also edit this kind of title like get paid to chat on Facebook group. So let's see what is get paid to scroll $800 per week. So let's see, $25 per hour to work with Elon Musk. So this seems an interesting email, okay. So maybe whenever people see this kind of title, then they may click on it and open it to read this email, okay. So this title is perfect for me. So you can also select this kind of title and you can also read the description, whatever it is written at here, okay, and then use that email. So once you have this email, then what you need to do is just search on Google Udemy and then click on this Udemy, and you will see a sign up page where you can just click on sign up with Google, and then you can simply sign up to this platform that is called Udemy, where you can buy these solo ads, okay. So whenever you sign up, and you can just click on this find seller, okay, in here you can just click on this find seller, and then you will reach to this kind of interface. Now firstly what you need to do is you need to select in this price max, okay, and then just select 0.40 cents, and then got sales 50% sales, okay. Once you do this much, just simply hit enter, and you will be able to find all of this list of people who are selling the solo ads in the rate 40 cents and who have got sales 50% of the time. Just scroll below and see whichever you think is good. So this is the sales indicator, you can read it, okay, 71%, 64%, 51%. So let's go with this 71%, okay. So let's click on this Faisal Gems. Now you can just click on this buy solo. You can select any other seller, okay, it's your choice, and then reduce this to 150 clicks. Just click on this only top tier, and then again try to decrease it 125 clicks. You will be paying 178. Let's see if it didn't decrease. Yes, $63 for 100 clicks, only top tier countries. So top tier country means US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and Singapore, and you need to pay additional 20 cents for that, okay, not just 40 cents. It is written at here. So you are going to pay 60 cents for 100 clicks, sorry, $60 for this 100 clicks. One clicks cost you 60 cents. Now keep on watching, okay, everything doesn't end just at here, okay. So once you have this setup done, then just click on this only link, and then so just click on this only link and then change it to add text. Once you have here, you can see here you can put the subject, and here is where you can put the body. So now let's again go to the affiliate page and copy our subject, and then simply paste that subject at here. in this way. Now once you have pasted the subject at here, now let's go and copy this body. Okay, copy this body. You must read it by yourself firstly. Okay, just copy this and then again go here and paste it at here. You can make some changes at here. Hi, just delete this name at here. Okay, and see if there is something that you can change. Now here you can see, click here. Okay, you need to find out this location, where are the place where you can paste your link. Okay, here you can see, click here. So now what you can do is, I can go to ClickBank, just click on this promote button and then click on create hop link, and then get your unique affiliate link and let's copy it. Okay, I can go here, scroll below and see where other places there are where you can put your link. Just select it and click on it and paste your link in this way and click on OK. Similarly, let's paste it in another place also. Okay, so in this way you can make it bold. Okay, if you want, just make it bold and see if there is any other place. You can even delete this hi. Okay, and do you use Twitter? 60% of all business do, I guess. Okay, you can read this email by yourself. Okay, once you do dismiss, then just scroll below and click on this checkout and then fill out the information and pay the amount that you are going to get charged from the seller. And you can see there are top tier 98% country United States, 90% of traffic you are going to get from United States, which is absolutely good thing. And the seller has a 50% rate above for the sales reporting, due to which you can also get sales in this promotion. So now if you get anywhere from 3 to 5 sales, then you are absolutely going to go in profit. But in case if you are not going to get sales, then you are going to get into loss. But that's not the end of the game. Okay, you can find out other best sellers. Okay, other best seller who are exactly selling solo ads and has higher rate of sales. Now even if you, let's say you have found out all the sellers in the Udemy and you have order with most of the seller who are selling and got sales. Okay, now you can, you cannot just keep on buying with the same seller to promote the same offer, right? Now in that case, what you need to do is just go to Google and search for Udemy alternative and then select any of the website that is showing you the best alternative for Udemy. And you can see there are 10 best alternative for Udemy, and you can see this is one crown solo ads. So there are other traffic for me. You can go to these sites, okay, these sites, and buy their solo ads. Now additionally, what you can do is, let's say if you don't have any money, okay, any money to pay for these solo ad sites, then also what you can do is you can visit to one site, and that site is called Hercules Plus. You can literally send thousands of emails daily for absolutely free to people who are inside Hercules Plus with the exact ad text that I have shown you previously and the affiliate link on ClickBank. And in order to visit to this site, you just need to type Hercules Plus on Google and then just click on here or sign up. Click on at here and then sign up to this Hercules Plus for absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything on it. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.